solar system, which should not be possible.
Yeah. So we used to think that every solar system should kind of look like ours for very good reasons. The way it looks like ours is the inner planets are rocky, the outer planets are gas giants, right? That makes sense because when solar systems form, the star is going to be very volatile. So the radiation from that protostar is going to basically shoo away all of these lighter elements like helium and hydrogen and ice and things like that. The rocky elements like iron and other nickel, that's going to stick around the star and create rocky planets. And then the outside is going to be gas giants. That's how our solar system is. The physics makes sense.
Yes.
They have found an inside-out solar system. This solar system goes rocky, gas giant, rocky.
Oh.
And that really doesn't make sense.
Yeah, that doesn't make any sense.
Okay, just from the physics argument that I gave you.
Yes.
Right? And they're trying to figure out what the hell is going on.
Right.
Okay? This rocky planet that's on the outside is 1.7 times the mass of the Earth. It's what astronomers would call a super Earth. They tried to figure out like ways that it could have formed. Like suppose maybe it was a gas giant, but then the atmosphere got ripped apart, right? And so now we're seeing it as a rocky planet. They did a bunch of simulations, didn't work.
Yep.
So what they think is happening is that this outer rocky planet actually just formed later in the history. Because suppose the inner planets formed early, so you got the rocky planet on the inside, you got two gas giants. Those gas giants have hoarded all of the gas. And now when this outside one formed, there was no gas around to really like nucleate on the outside, right? And which is why it's now rocky.
So the idea, the hypothesis here is that the difference is because of a time delay, a formation time delay.
Yes, a formation time delay.
They started forming at different times, and by the time that fourth planet started forming after the rocky gas giant, all of the materials to make it a gas giant were not available, and so it became a rocky planet.
Yeah.
This is a good one out of University of Warwick, University of Michigan Ann Arbor, plus several others in science.
Yeah.
Astronomers have discovered a